an air fryer. Right.
Fish sticks?
Yeah, we're gonna make fish sticks.
In that?
We pull this out, push that, because I gotta wash it. So I have to clean this. That was easy. I just got done cleaning the basket, so when I put this in, it's gonna turn on. And so you just press this power button, and then they have all these different presets, and you can increase the temperature, the time, everything. I'm making homemade fish sticks. Getting ready to put it in. All right, so I gotta turn it on, and then press this little manual, and then there's a 3-second delay. All right, we'll check it out in 10 minutes. Oh, dang. Look at that.
I want to see.
Man, I can't wait to get them on a plate.
I want to see.
All right, fish, it's cooked perfectly. Do you want to try a piece?
Yeah. That one?
Yeah. Let's try it.
Mmm.